Great. Yeah,
Hi everybody, this is Sandra with Modern Day Gramma, coming to you with an unboxing of a very nice twin size mattress from the Amazon store E2C, sorry. That's my husband, Brian. Let me see. This is a Comfort Relax memory foam mattress. Comes with a book on top of the mattress. Got the fan going, so it's kind of hot in Louisiana right now. Like reading 113 heat index. Thank you. See, it's got a 10-year limited warranty on it, and we got it for our granddaughter because she is 4 years old and she has turned from her toddler bed to her bed.
Okay. Here's what the lights up here.
Okay.
Here's the inside
and this
box.
is what the box looks like.
Yeah.
Alright. And there's what it looks like inside the box.
Now just take this easiest
So
way.
this is almost like the other mattress that I did the other day where a couple of months back. You go ahead and open it up and it expands. It's a bamboo mattress.
Where was the
It's got cooling gels.
Oh, here we go.
It's got cooling gels in it.
For you, baby. Well, that would be the best way, would be right there.
There you go. Okay, well, let's open this puppy up.
Find out what happens.
Yep. I love that it's got a cooling gel to it because it might make for some easier sleep for our granddaughter. She likes to hop beds when she's not comfortable.
There's no,
So, while my husband is opening it, our granddaughter starts school
what's that there, baby?
on August 13th. That's a full week of, a full day of school. She's 4 and going on to school.
Here's the mattress.
Okay, hold on.
One moment. You got it. Oh,
Wait, don't stop.
oh, there's a sleeve on it.
My phone is frozen.
There we go. My bad.
Hey everybody, sorry about the delay, but my phone froze. Okay, my husband said there's a sleeve on.
Yeah, there's another outer wrapper here.
Yeah, there's an outside wrapper, so you got to be careful when you're cutting that. But he's cutting it very easily.
And if I gotta just peel it.
And now he can peel it.
Yeah. And it'll take you on by itself. Don't give me a hard time here. Let's unroll it, baby.
You got it.
Oh, it makes it a whole lot easier.
See?
This is how you do it, folks.
Once you get it sliced a little bit, it's a lot easier to just pull it up.
There you go. Voila.
There you go.
Let's take this out the way. Take this. Oh, that's a nice mattress. We have to make more room in here, baby.
Oh, look at the inside of it. Oh, that's nice. And you see how it just expanded? And it's still in its wrapper. You know, so this is going to be a really nice mattress for her. This is the inside of it. The bottom side of it. And then that is the top of it.
Nice bamboo mattress.
Okay.
Now we're going to have to make a little more room.
Yeah, we got to make a lot more room in here because where I wanted to put it at, I was off on my calculations. It's not going to fit. So, anyway, be sure to check out the review on moderndaygramma.com. I'll have it up this week sometime.
Enjoy. Enjoy.
Okay. Check you later. Bye.